So, my December 2019 trip to the Philippines, I needed to go to Manila first to take some business meetings. And instead of staying in a hotel, I stayed at the Gramercy Residencies. I think it's much nicer to have a separate living room to your sleeping quarters, especially if you're doing some working from home. So you can see I've got a dining room table with my laptop set up. Yes, I've got quite a few baseball caps as well. And then you've got the stairs here, which goes up to the sleeping quarters. But if you see the living quarters, there's a good bit of space there, which you don't normally get in a hotel room for the same price. And you can see these dual aspect windows, although I couldn't open the top part because there was no way to actually get to the blinds to open them. So here's the bed. It's quite a nice bed. Apologies for the aspect ratio. When I initially filmed this, I only filmed it for Instagram, and I've checked all my footage, and I don't have the correct aspect ratio, so apologies for that. Good sized bathroom, everything you need: sink, toilet, and shower. Good views as well, out over Makati. Let's grab my bag. I've got my towel, got my sunglasses, get a change of clothes. Let's go up to the swimming pool. Let's go check it out. Well, here we are on the high floors. Swimming pools, nice little haven. It's the sort of place you want to take in the views. Just sit, relax, slow the world down.